Good morning. No. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, y'all. I've been in the bed all day. Well, I went to go get me some, you can't even see. Oh, there you go. Starbucks. I went to go get me some Starbucks today. And now I'm just watching YouTube. I got it on pause right now. But I am going to get up and cook some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls for you guys. Whenever I feel like getting up. Like right now, I'm just not in the mood to get up. Like, Kayla is nobody's maid. I'm not doing it. Like, I am tired. Like, I could be on the go all week. From work to the gym to work in the gym and to work in the gym and work in the gym. Like, bruh, it gets annoying and it gets exhausting. So, I'm going to get up soon. I got to go somewhere tonight. So, I'm going to bring y'all with me when I go somewhere tonight. But other than that, I'm just laying here chilling. I'm not really doing nothing. I had a long week. Can y'all tell that I don't feel good? Like I'm a little pink in certain areas or red in certain areas because I don't feel good. But I'm going to get up pretty soon after I finish laying down for the 100th time. I'm kind of cramping, and that might be too much information, but I'm kind of cramping, y'all, and everybody know my cramps is horrible. Horrible. So, yeah, I'll come back to y'all once I feel better and I start cooking my cheesesteak egg rolls. Goodbye. All right, y'all. I'm about to show y'all how to make these Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. They're going to be so amazing. So, you're going to need some beef. I'm just using just basically beef slices. Some people like to use the steakums. But I think it tastes like fake meat. Even though it's 100% beef, it tastes like fake meat to me. So I'm just going to use this. You're going to need egg roll wrappers. You're going to need preferably provolone. But provolone doesn't come shredded. And I wasn't about to shred it. So I just got the mozzarella and parmesan mix. You're going to need a bell pepper. And you're going to need some onions. I'm also going to use some sweet bell peppers as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those. Which are these. So you're gonna need these as well. And now what I'm gonna do is just rinse off my meat. And then I'm gonna place it on the paper towel after I get done rinsing it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to brown the meat now, well, cook the meat. So I have the steak. I'm going to put it in the pan as so. And then I'm going to season it a little bit. Alright, so the meat is about browned almost. As you can see, still got a couple of pink spots, but we're going to go ahead and get that out. In about 5 more minutes, it'll be done. But that's how we're going to do it. And then we're going to drain all of this excess water. And we'll be good to go. So after it's done, we're going to go ahead and saute the veggies. And then I'll come back when it's time to saute these. So I'm going to let this brown up a little bit. We're going to drain it, and then I'll be back to saute it. Alright, so I got the meat all browned up. So now we're just going to take some olive oil it a little bit in the pan. And we are going to take the vegetables and cook them up just a little bit. And you want to season your veggies as well. So I'm about to do that in just one moment. So I have the grease going. It's actually fresh grease. And I have some of the egg rolls. It's only 5 of them because the rest of them, if you didn't know, guys, you can actually freeze them. So they're freezing. And yeah, you can actually freeze them. So you make them all in once, and then you basically just, these are the ones that aren't frozen, but they cook better when they're actually frozen. But you just drop it in there like so, and it take about 3 to 5 minutes to warm back up and actually cook. I'm gonna try to fit, well, I'm gonna have to do 3 at a time, and I'm just gonna let it cook like so. Guys, I went ahead and cooked the egg rolls. As you can see up close, you have the steak, the cheese, the bell peppers, and the onions. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and eat. There you go.